It's like super cold if you go down. Can you do a flip underwater? 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 Okay, we're going up farther Okay, I need to breathe now. It's down below. You heard what I was saying. I got that on camera. Can you do that again, River, for them? They couldn't see you go down. I've got a little on camera, though. You good? You want to go out further? We're in like the middle of the ocean. I want to make slime. We're going to do a video. So like and subscribe for a video that we're going to do where we make slime at a beach and in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, we're going to do that. How you feel about that? That's a good idea. Let's go down. Yeah, it is. We're gonna make slime in the middle of the ocean sometime. Wow. There's a chance that if we got the salt out of the water, we could probably activate it, but I'm not sure. There's a barracuda. There's a barracuda. There's a barracuda! Pretty far now. I can't see it anymore. There was a barracuda. At least I think it was a barracuda. That was a barracuda. Yeah, I think I saw a barracuda. This is epic. We're in the middle of the ocean, guys. Look, we're in the middle of the ocean. You can see out that far. There's like a bunch of seaweed and stuff out there. But here's a really cool thing. If you're at the beach, you can make a fidget toy out of seaweed and pop them. That was actually a really good one. I will make a fidget toy anywhere you send me. And you can make one out of the sand. You can bring a balloon and make a DIY stress ball out of sand. I will make one anywhere you put me. They pop. That is super epic. Do these people want to hear? What is these rocks that Grandpa's over at that look like concrete pieces? I'm gonna go look. Can we go look? No. I'm looking. Actually, I have to look at this how fun. These little seaweeds. Oh, they're everywhere. River says they're CBS blocks. Yeah, even cooler. You guys gotta see this. That's why I took you over. Ugh. There's a bunch of fidget toys down there, not seaweed. Fidget toys. Take that, everyone who said seaweed was useless. Hopefully you did, so take that if you did. There are barnacles. These aren't CBS. Those are weird, they must have weird. Look at these. There's algae growing on the dead ones. Hopefully you guys can get a good look. But there's one on the surface too. There's one on the surface. How far down do you think? They're alive too, some of them. I'm trying to not get salt water in my. There's a lighthouse out there. Popping toys. These are fun fidget toys though. The river seal. River, try this. It's like a fidget toy. Hey guys, we are going down underneath these fidget toys, which they are fidget toys. Try popping them. There's little seeds. These are fun. That's weird. I didn't even go there. Crazy man. God. These big ones are the best. Seaweed fight. Seaweed fight. Puppet fight. There's a warning about a big white shark. He's lying. And you know what you get for lying. Grandpa lied about a shark. I cannot stop popping these. They're so satisfying. Let's try throw at Grandpa's face. Pop it, fight. He wants. No, he doesn't eat Popeyes. River stops. These are the big, super satisfying pops. So I can get one squeezed. Okay, these are not the satisfying. There's some that when you pop them, they're super satisfying. That hurt my arm. I'm gonna get out of this area of the. We have to come up with our mom. River's not even fidget toys. You know he couldn't resist. Could not resist these fidget toys. How to make these epic fidget toys? You pop them. You just grab them and you pop them like this. They're fun to pop. They're fun to pop like poppets. Natural and biodegradable poppets. These should be sold on Amazon. No, not Among Us. Look at that house. Where? Oh, there's actually a pelican. Another one. Another pelican. Ricker, no. Don't throw that. The pelican. You could not hit the pelican. Okay guys, we're gonna have to go. River's gonna do one belly flop real quick and then we'll go. River, do a belly flop. Into the seaweed. Okay, goodbye guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below your favorite time to go to the beach, which is probably summer, but favorite thing to do at the beach too.